guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing my Joker makeup, and I'm not really sure if you can see in the camera, if it registers even. I dyed my hair green for this because I wanted to, and I already glued down my eyebrows, very poorly, but I did it, and I covered my whole face with some Fantasy Makers white just face paint and a mixture of my own foundation, Fit Me New York in the shade 102 Fair Porcelain, because yeah, I'm white. So, and I've already covered my face in a mixture of white face paint and my foundation, and I've glued down my eyebrows. And if you want to see a video on how to glue down your eyebrows, you can look it up, because I have not made a video on that. If you want me to make a video on that, leave a like, share, and subscribe on the video, on my channel video, and I will make a video all about cross-dressing and stuff like that, because I mean, cosplay, cross-dressing, I kind of have to do that a lot, so I can make a whole series about cross-dressing if you like. So leave a like if you want to see me do that. So yeah, okay. If you see me looking to the side, it's because I have a reference image up here of the Joker. Oh, and a little disclaimer type thing. The Joker that I will be cosplaying is from the Harley Quinn? The Harley Quinn series, like Birds of Prey and the Suicide Squad. I'll be cosplaying the Joker from that because I like what he looks like. So yeah. Starting off with the first thing that I'll be doing is, what I'll be doing first is contour. So what I'll be doing first is contour because, yeah, it's a good place to start off, you know? Why not? And, okay, so, why can I not ever open my palettes? Okay, so, I'm gonna be using shade of Likeable and Campground from the palette Festival, which are, this is this one, Likeable, and this one's Campground. So I'll be using a mixture of that for doing contour, and I'll be doing normal, regular, masculine contour. I also will be contouring my forehead bones. Temple? Forehead bones. Temple. That area. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my powder and blending brush, because that's just what I use it for. So, powder and blending brush, I'm gonna go in and blend out the contour. Okay, next part I'll be doing is I'm going to be doing eyeshadow, because he has dark eyes, or dark circles around, like all the way around his eyes. So I will be doing that. So I'll be going in with, I don't know how to pronounce this, Onyx, O-N-Y. O-N-Y-X. Oinks. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but it is this black color right here. Once again, still an invisible palette. I'll be using that palette the whole time. So, anyways, yeah. Using the shade Camp, which is this color right here. I'll be using that shade as well to blend in with the black. Okay, so I'm done with the eyes, which is a little bit more complicated than I thought, but I mean, if you just blend it out with your fingers, then it's fine, and it looks natural, maybe kind of a little bit. Not really on the camera, it looks super blotchy, but I mean, in my mirror, it looks cool, so yeah. And then, okay, so, anyways. Next, I'll be going in with Revlon Color Stay Wing Line, which is just a black eyeliner. It's a black chisel eyeliner marker tip thing. So yeah, I'll be lining my eyes and not in a wing liner. I'll be doing the lower waterline and just normal, I don't know what that's called. I'll just be doing normal eyeliner without a wing, so it'll just stop there to just kind of frame my eyes better. So I'll do that off camera because I have to do it in a close mirror, so I'll be back. Bye. Hey, okay, so I'm back. I've done my eyeliner and I put a little bit more eyeshadow on my upper lid, just kind of blend it in, I guess, a little bit. So yeah, and so what I'll be doing next is, he doesn't really have any blush because it's like all one tone. And in the camera I look like super pink, but I swear in real life I'm not. Well, a little bit, but not really. Okay, so next I will be doing, what will I be doing? Okay, next I'll be doing the signature, red lips. But before I do that, I just kind of wanted to show what I do to kind of make my lips look a little bit more like curly and insane when I do like crazy characters like this, I guess. So take eyeliner and I just kind of put it in the corner of my mouth. Hold on, I'm gonna do it so I can show what it looks like after. I kind of do this and I kind of draw like a line, like a pointed line, either in a smile or like a frown, depending on what character. I figured I'd do a smile for this one because, Joker. So I just kind of do a line like that, and in the other one as well, try to make it even, obviously. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna put on the lipstick. So I don't have that actually here, so let me go find it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a Milani lipstick, matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick, this stuff, in the shade 10 in Satin. I'm not sure if this says Satan or Satin. I'm thinking it says Satin. But anyway, so I'm gonna put that on my lips and then kind of smear it around, so. Okay, so now that that's done, I just kind of blot it around because this is supposed to be a matte lipstick type thing, so it's gonna dry matte. But before that, I wanted to smear it around to kind of look crazy, I guess. So there we are. That's the lipstick. Looks crazy, but perfect. And then the next part is to do his tattoos, which he has here and here and here. And they're really small and really faint, so I'm gonna do those off camera in a close-up mirror. And I'll be back when they're done. Okay, so now that I've done the damaged and the little J and some of the scars, I'm so sorry if I'm getting some of these things wrong and people are just watching this thinking, what are you saying? Like, this is not accurate at all. I am so sorry. I don't remember a lot, so sorry. But anyways, so now that I've done that, my hair doesn't register as green, but I'll fix that. So, anyways, pretty much done with the makeup for the most part. I'm going to go change into the shirt and I'll show you some photos of the final thing. And I am too lazy to draw the, laughing, the mouth on the hand and have the rings. I'm too lazy to do that. I'm sorry, but it's late. I don't really want to do that. It's gonna take too long. So, I'm just gonna stick to this. I hope you guys like it, but so I'll show some pictures, yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Please stay till the end to see all of the pictures that I took, and please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. That would really help me out a lot. So thank you. Bye.